Welcome to the video. Today we're going to be water skipping, I don't know, one of our sleds across the little pond thing that creates when all the snow melts. And then also we just got this package in the mail. It is a new can for our new 850 that we got because it had the stock can on it. So we actually ended up getting an MBRP race can. So the other one has a trail can. This one should be a bit louder. Probably going to start a time lapse of putting this guy on, and then we'll go rip it, listen to it, and I'll show the footage of skipping across the pond.
Ooh, I'm not myself tonight. Been a minute since I heard this song. Ooh, I might get drunk tonight, 'cause the feeling's coming on too strong. When your heart has given up and your soul has...
You missed one grommet. There's these little things, so there's one down there. You missed one grommet. Hopefully we can just pull this bolt out and then lift it up enough to get the grommet in, but yeah, it's pretty annoying without the grommet. Wow, that thing is loud. It's basically like, sounds just like our other MBRP, but it's louder because it's the race can instead of a trail can. I don't know. I like the MBRP. Shorts!
Hand up, raise your glass and make a toast to the ones we hate the most. We hate to the ones we hate the most. We hate to the ones we hate.
We've been fixing the old ATC 70. It wasn't running right, and then we figured out the choke was like stuck or something was messed up with the carb. We ordered a new carb, and then also this was all banged up and it broke off, so we got a new one of those. Yeah, it's just chilling over there, but that thing is gonna be back in action soon once the summer comes. And then the pitters are sitting over here. You know, I got my Pro Circuit exhaust. If you haven't checked out that video, go check it out. The thing is dirty. But I think that's going to be it for this video. Don't forget to check out my other videos and like and subscribe. Also, I'm going to be gone for like a week because I'm going to Mexico. So I'll see you then.